1908年、創業者の父、安井兼吉が始めたミシンの修理販売店、安井ミシン商会。10人兄弟の長男として生まれた正義は、9歳の頃から父を助けながらミシンの修理技術を身につけます。17歳の時、当時ミシンの本場であった大阪に修行に出た正義。
Prospectus of Establishment was written in 1932 by Masayoshi Yasui, the founder of Brother Industries Limited. Masayoshi's strong enthusiasm for the domestic production of sewing machines, together with the three spirits as stated in the Prospectus of Establishment, comprise the foundation of Brothers' history and success. Yasui Sewing Machine Company, a company that sold and repaired sewing machines, was established in 1908 by Kanekichi Yasui, the father of the founders of Brother Industries Limited. Masayoshi Yasui, the eldest of 10 children, began working and helping his father at the age of 9, thereby acquiring sewing machine repair skills at a very young age. At the age of 17, Masayoshi began working as an apprentice in Osaka, which at that time was the heart of Japan's sewing machine industry. Having witnessed the sewing machine market being dominated by imported products, Masayoshi felt strongly the need to produce sewing machines domestically. He was determined to develop this import-based sewing machine industry into an export-based industry. At that time, it was considered impossible to produce sewing machines in Japan due to lack of production facilities and advanced processing technologies. However, Masayoshi's resolution never wavered. To obtain funds for sewing machine production, he developed and sold hydraulic presses for producing straw hats. He also embarked on research activities focused on his ambition for sewing machine production in Japan. In 1928, he succeeded in the development of the Shosan Shiki chain-stitch sewing machine, which is more durable than imported machines. Jitsuichi Yasui, Masayoshi's younger brother and co-founder of Brother, succeeded in the development of shuttle hooks, which are main components of the sewing machine. Following this success, in 1932, the Yasui brothers finally succeeded in mass-producing domestic sewing machines. Superior quality, diligent service. This was Brothers' motto at the time of its foundation, meaning that the production of quality products is of optimal service to society and the key for the company's continued prosperity. As expressed in this motto, commitment to quality is Brothers' DNA, which is passed down to the current day.